Hey, busy parent. Today we are back for an easy dinner recipe. My kid loves this big meatball recipe. They take only a few minutes and are great to make in advance. Let's start with fresh thyme, some chive, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. The herbs come from my garden. Mix it well together and add 2 pounds of ground beef. I love 15-20% so it's more juicy. Mix it well until all the spices are everywhere. If your kid also loves delicious meatballs, put a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Next, start to shape a ball the size of a baseball. Roll it well so it doesn't open it during cooking. Repeat it until you have some meat. This whole thing goes in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Check these things out. They are super easy to make, full of flavor, savory, and absolutely delicious. Sometimes I make them smaller, so it's my new favorite keto snack. Just reheat them in tomato sauce for a few minutes when you need them. Now they are ready. Can you smell it? Eat them like this or drop them on some pasta with extra cheese for your kid. Be sure to try it and let me know what you think. Bon appétit!